मतभेद आसा तर उलोवन प्रश्न सोडू येता. निर्णय घेवच्या पयलीं उलोव येताले. तरी असले कितले येतले कितले वतले, पण काँग्रेस पक्ष थांबचो ना. फुडले वाटचालीक उर्फान मुल्लाक बरे मागता म्हण गोंय महिला काँग्रेसीची अध्यक्ष प्रतिमा कुथिनो उलयल्या. RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Being my colleague and my friend for ages now, we have worked together in NSUI. We have worked on the Youth Congress banner also. When I was heading the Youth Congress president, when I was the president of Youth Congress, Urfan Mullah has worked with me in the team, and today when he was the minority chairman, I would like to say that he has given reasons and he's spoken that he's gone, he's left the party today. I think आयज ताणें खंय तरी इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करपा जाय आशिल्लें. म्हज्या खात्यान जाल्यार उर्फान मुल्ला जो बबलू म्हणटा ताणें इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करपा जाय आशिल्लें. इफ ही सेइंग दॅट इज फोर फादर्स, that his father, he was a congressman, then I don't know overnight how can a person switch. Okay, you have got some problems, you have got some differences, if you have got some reservations, if you have got some misunderstandings, it is always good to sit across the table and talk, because we आमच्या घरात प्रत्येक मनशाच्या घरात खंय तरी वयर सकल जाता. सगळ्या फॅमिलीक न्ही वयर सकल जाता. केन्ना बायलेच्यान घोवाचें ओ भुरग्यांचें ओ सासू आनी सुनेचें सगळ्यांक जाता. बट that doesn't mean they run away from the problems. They sit, sort it out together, talk to each other and finish it. So I think Urfan Mullah could have very well if he had some reservations, because just last month I had seen him for agitation with us. So I don't know what suddenly made him take that decision. Anyways, it's democracy, and in democracy you cannot stop anyone. But as I would like to say that also on the 103rd anniversary, birth anniversary of Indira Gandhi, Jhansi Ki Rani, whom we say that she's the Iron Lady, and there will be no lady like her, the first Prime Minister, Lady Prime Minister. On her day, I would like to say, की असले कितले येतले आणि कितले वतले, जायते येतले आणि जायते वतले. Personal differences aside, politically I'm saying many will come and many will go, but that doesn't mean that Congress will stop. We are heading towards 2022. We are building up our teams. एकलो गेल्यार दुसरो येता. There is always the एक बस गई तो दूसरी बस आती है. So it's like that. I can only say to Urfan Mullah, Baba, all the best in your future endeavors. But we will, Congress will not shy away. Just because one, see, तुम्ही पहिला असेल in past, कितले तरी आमचे आमदार गेले, पहिले 3 जाण गेले, मागीर 10 जाण गेले, पण पक्ष खंय उरूना, पक्ष खंय साडूना. आमचे काम, आमचे कार्य चालूच आसा. So we, as Congress, we are not gonna look back. We are gonna just head forward.